Imagine this. A buyer drives up to the house. The first thing they notice isn't the roof or the floor plan. It's the neighbourhood. They park the car, step out, and begin picturing their life here. Maybe I'll grab my morning coffee from that cafe on the corner, or take my dog for a walk along that leafy little trail behind the street. These small snapshots of everyday life stick with buyers far longer than square meters or ceiling height. What buyers really want to know is, what will my weekends feel like here? If they have children, they're picturing the school drop-off, or wondering if there's a sports club nearby. Even buyers without children find comfort in a neighbourhood with good schools. It signals stability, it signals community. And then there's the commute. Close to transport isn't enough. Be specific. From this home, you can reach the city in 25 minutes, no car needed. That's the kind of detail buyers remember. Finally, the vibe. Every neighbourhood has one. Or is it calm, filled with families and evening walks? Is it buzzing with weekend markets and live music? When you paint that picture, you're not just selling a house, you're selling a lifestyle. So how do you show it? Here are 5 neighbourhood features that truly move buyers. First, everyday convenience. Nearby cafes, supermarkets, or weekend market. Highlight the things that make daily life easier. Second, hidden green spaces. It's not just about big parks. Small walking trails, community gardens, and quiet picnic spots create an emotional connection. Third, the community vibe. Is it a family-oriented street, or a lively hub filled with markets and music? Or buyers imagine it. Fourth, schools and learning opportunities. Schools, tutoring centres, sports clubs, and cultural programs. Signal an established, reliable neighbourhood, even for buyers without kids. When you weave these elements into your property listing, you'll imagine the life they could live there. At the end of the day, buyers aren't purchasing 4 walls. They're buying a sense of belonging and a way of life. And when your listing captures not just the property, but the lifestyle that comes with it, that's when they fall in love, and that's when the offers come in. Thanks for watching today's tip. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more ways to maximize your property's value with Royce.